Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Hey, it's Gigi, the Gadget Goddess. I just wanted to get out and do more of a vlog type thing today. I didn't know what I was going to do for this week's video. I lost one of my dogs last week, so I'm kind of with recorder's block right now. So he was my walking dog. So I brought his mother, his legitimate mother, not that we called her his mother because she was older than him. I brought her out to try to train her on how to walk because she's not the most obedient. As you can see, she's all over the place. But she never was. And they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. So we'll see how this works out. Getting out some because I hadn't been out of the house much lately. Hope you enjoy. No, I don't. Trying to be kind of careful. There's a lot of kids out here running, which is good. They're getting out of the house, unlike my child. So try not to record a lot of them. That's where I want to be right there. At that swimming pool right there. That would be lovely. Be nice. Not my development, not my swimming pool. But it'd be nice. We're about to head back. I think we got like another mile or so, but jeez, this is work. See, she's pulling now. You ready, lady? It's story time. So, this dog right here got loose maybe 2 years ago while they were constructing this church. Lady got out and managed. I live on the northeast side of Charlotte. Lady managed to travel from the northeast side of Charlotte to Valentine, which is very south side, and then to Davison, North Carolina, because one of the construction workers saw how friendly she was and decided to take her home. She is chipped, so she got returned to us. But lady is very much a wanderer, and that's how we ended up with her. How about that? Cute little fun fact for you. I'd like to cover a little bit of iPhone stuff. See? We'll throw a little bit of tech in here. I have had the iPhone 11 Pro Max for, let's say, close to a month now. Improvements in battery life are wonderful. I appreciate those. I think the camera is much better than the 10S Max. I find myself using the camera a bit more than I used the last phone. I am toying around with doing a 11 Pro Max video versus the Samsung Z Flip and camera comparisons, because I am kind of impressed with the camera on the Samsung, although I still, you know, I'm a little biased. Huawei still wins me over in that department with cameras, but I don't mind the camera so much on either one of these phones. They're just not as good as what I'm used to. Hey lady, you want to get the newspaper? Look, look, look. Here's the newspaper. Look, look. You gonna get it? Here's the newspaper, lady. Get the newspaper. Get that newspaper. Thanks a lot. Here. Here, put it in your mouth.